Hey my friends, welcome to Tutorialverse Hub. That annoying squeak from your floorboards driving you crazy? Every time you walk across the room, it's like a little mouse is following you around, announcing your every move. It's especially frustrating when you're trying to be quiet, maybe late at night or early in the morning. You tiptoe, you try to avoid that one spot, but somehow it always finds a way to make a sound. It can really disrupt the peace and quiet of your home. You've probably wondered if you need to call in a professional, rip up the floor, or spend a ton of money on complicated repairs. It sounds like a huge headache, right? Well, what if I told you there's a simple, incredibly cheap, and surprisingly effective solution that you probably already have in your bathroom cabinet? Today, I'm going to show you a life hack that will silence those squeaky floors for good. Forget expensive tools or complicated carpentry. All you need is a little bit of talcum powder or even baby powder. That's it. It sounds almost too good to be true, but stick with me and I'll show you exactly how it works. This trick is perfect for anyone, whether you're a DIY pro or someone who's never picked up a tool in their life. We're going to fix this problem in just a few minutes, and your home will be back to being the quiet sanctuary it should be. Ready to say goodbye to that squeak forever? Let's get started. First things first, you need to identify exactly where the squeak is coming from. Walk around the noisy area slowly, putting pressure on different spots until you can pinpoint the exact board or boards that are making the noise. It might be one specific spot, or it could be a small section of your floor. Once you've found the culprit, give it a good clean. You want to make sure the area is free of any dust, dirt, or debris. A quick sweep or a pass with a vacuum cleaner attachment will do the trick. We need the gaps between the floorboards to be as clear as possible for our ingredient to work its wonders. This preparation step is crucial, so don't skip it. A clean surface ensures the powder can get deep into the cracks where it needs to be. Now for the fun part. Take your bottle of talcum powder. You don't need a fancy brand. Any standard baby powder or talcum powder will work perfectly. The reason this works is that squeaky floors are usually caused by two pieces of wood rubbing against each other. The friction creates that high-pitched sound. The talcum powder acts as a dry lubricant, filling the tiny gaps between the boards and reducing that friction. So, generously sprinkle the powder over the seams of the squeaky floorboard. Don't be shy with it. You want to cover the entire length of the gaps on all sides of the noisy board. Make sure you get a good, visible layer of powder sitting right on top of those cracks. Once you have the powder in place, we need to get it down deep into the gaps where the friction is happening. You can use a small dry paintbrush for this. A credit card or a thin piece of plastic would also work. Gently sweep the powder back and forth over the cracks, using the bristles of the brush to push it down into the gaps. You'll see the powder disappearing into the seams. Keep adding more powder and brushing it in until the gap won't seem to take any more. This is how you know you filled the space effectively. The goal is to pack that powder in there tightly. Take your time with this step. The more powder you can get into the joint, the more effective and long-lasting the fix will be. After you've worked the powder into the seams, it's time to clean up the excess. Use a soft cloth or a paper towel to wipe away any powder left on the surface of the floorboards. You want your floor to look clean and not covered in a white film. Be gentle so you don't accidentally pull the powder back out of the cracks. A slightly damp cloth can work well for the final wipe down, but make sure it's not too wet, as we don't want to introduce moisture into the wood. Once the surface is clean, it's time for the moment of truth. Carefully step on the board that was causing all that noise. Put your full weight on it. Walk back and forth a few times. What do you hear? Hopefully, absolutely nothing. The silence is so satisfying, isn't it? That once annoying squeak should be completely gone, replaced by solid, quiet footsteps. It's such a simple solution to a problem that can be a major nuisance. This fix can last for a very long time, but if you ever hear a faint squeak returning months or even years later, you know what to do. Just repeat the process, and your floors will be silent once again. It's a 5-minute fix that brings long-term peace and quiet. So there you have it, a super easy, super cheap way to fix your squeaky floors using nothing but talcum powder. No more cringing every time you walk across the living room. Now you can sneak to the kitchen for a midnight snack in total silence. I hope this little trick helps you out. If you found this video useful, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple home hacks and DIY tips. We love sharing solutions that save you time, money, and frustration. Let me know in the comments if you tried this and how it worked for you. or if you have any other clever home repair tricks to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.